Imagine yourself in this 2009 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors. The premium wheels add a stylish touch. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.